Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this keyboard case with touch for Lenovo IdeaTab Pro 12.7 inches, the 2025 model by Doho case. It's a Bluetooth keyboard with a trackpad and a 12-cover case and adjustable kickstand and a lighting keys for a Lenovo IdeaTab Pro 12.7 inches. It's compatible with that pad. The case is only compatible with that pad, of course. Model TB373FU or TB375FC. We may get confused about the tablet model. Should go to tapping settings, system settings, system all settings, system about tablet, and get this number. And then it will be matches, of course. We can secure protection with the premium 12 finish. The case with the tactical surface is molded to perfectly fit our IdeaTab Pro tablet, protecting the front, the back, the corners from scratches and bumps. The material is PU leather, not cloth. And sensitive and precise trackpad, because the trackpad gives us more space, control and precision to accomplish our daily work. On our tablets with that all family gestures, if we don't need the trackpad, we can hold down the FN key and then we press the spacebar to lock it. And we have backlit keys for dim rooms. The keyboard with the 7 colors and 3 levels of brightness allows us to type day or night time. The backlit shortcut keys next to the arrow keys allows us to manually adjust the color and brightness of the keys. And a touchable keyboard for more freedom. The keyboard is magnetically attached to the case, so we can simply remove it for read or view purpose. And adjustable 3-level kickstand. The adjustable kickstands comes with 3 levels of tilt. We could help to find the perfect angle as we need it. We get here a Bluetooth keyboard case for a Lenovo IdeaTab Pro 12.7 inches. The Doho case with an adjustable kickstand. We can find easy peasy the perfect viewing angle. This is possible with 3 settings. We have multi-touch trackpad. We have palm rejection. Avoid accidentally touch while typing. Of course, we have more. We have an attachable keyboard for more freedom. The keyboard is magnified, attached to the case, so we can simply get it off and get it back in position. And the lightening the keys for a dimmed room. The keyboard comes with 7 colors and 3 levels of brightness. This allows us to work with the tab all day long and the night time. A snug fit and a cutout for the pen and the camera on the back side brings us a premium texture, soft to touch drill case. This is a nice case. Over 50% recycled materials. This deserves the natural world hand in hand with the Doho case. Recycled materials, safer chemicals, and worker well-being. Climate pledge friendly, baby. This is nice. This is good. This is a nice device. As you can see, it works really good on my tablet and it looks good for a good style and a good protection. This all and more brings us the Doho case. Doho case. It's a keyboard case for the Lenovo IdeaTab Pro from 2025 with Bluetooth keyboard and trackpad and of course a drill cover case and adjustable kickstand. Lightning keys for Lenovo IdeaTab Pro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!